In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Snapchat notifications on Android and iOS. So this should work on Android and iOS as well. It doesn't matter which phone you have. So right now, I'm going to show you step by step how to enable or turn on Snapchat notifications. So step number one, of course, would be to open Snapchat on your phone. You then want to click on your profile icon at the top left corner, and then you want to click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Then once you're here, you want to scroll down and you want to find notifications, which should be under my account. So you see all of these different Snapchat features, but you want to click on notifications right there. You can then click on enable notifications and then click right there. And by doing so, you can actually turn on Snapchat notifications on your Android or iOS device. Now, as you can see right there, you can then also select specific notifications such as stories from friends, friend suggestions, mentions, memories, birthdays, and all of that. But that's pretty much how to enable Snapchat notifications on your Android or iPhone. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.